Alright, YouTube. I am here with another versus test. This time it's a dirt versus test between my Hoover Guardsman and my soft-bag Kenmore. I don't know if this is a power center or not. I mean, I'm guessing it is, but I can't be so sure on that. Because I've seen them gray, I've seen them a dark blue, about the same blue as the Guardsman. That looks gray, but it's not. That's so dark blue that it's almost charcoal gray. But anyway, we're going to start with the power center here. And here we go. Wow. And I did notice the bearing noise. I can't miss that. But that did pretty good, except for the dust cloud. Probably has a hole in the bag or something in that area. I mean, there is dirt hitting that spot very frequently, so I wouldn't doubt it. But anyway, here's the Guardsman. I don't know which is going to be the winner, but we're going to find out. Yep, it threw it back. Well, threw some of it back. So there we have it. Hoover Guardsman versus Kenmore Power Center. Yeah, the Hoover threw some back. Not much, but it did. I still got to give it credit for quality. But it about picked it up equally. Yeah, it picked it up rather equally. I'm not going to say the Hoover lost to the Power Center because, well, the Power Center did fine. The Hoover did pretty good. So, yeah, there it is. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.
That big 8-wheeler rolling down the track means your true loving daddy ain't coming back, 'cause I'm moving on. I'll soon be gone.